My name is Molly and I am studying a HND in Animal Management. The course includes practical and written theory sessions. So the practicals, we do a lot of handling correctly, husbandry, cleaning out of really cool animals. And then the theory sessions, we learn things to do with ethics, we learn things to do with biology and genetics. It's quite a wide range of things. My favourite part about the course is the practical and the hands-on thing, so I really enjoy working with the reptiles. I have my own at home, and I really enjoy going out on field trips and getting to know some really cool things. I've always had a passion for animals and a passion for large hoof stock, so I started out here doing equine, and then I thought I'd move on to finish on 2 years of animal just so I had a rounded knowledge of all different types. I'm hopefully wanting to be a zookeeper, so I have an internship already laid out for West Midlands Safari Park, which is going to start in June. So advice I would give to someone that's joining the course is make the most of every single moment, say yes to everything. If someone wants you to be involved in something, get involved, get your name in the door and just progress that way.